get some off of the green sheet. You got some more space, I would appreciate it. The green sheet on the back has some additional things that you can ask them about. How much are you making on your insurance with them when you sell insurance? How much percentage? They're right. Yeah, that's not a bad commission. Do they want insurance? What you've done, if not just made 35%, you've serviced, geez, that's what John told us. You've serviced your customer, and you've helped me with preventive legal care. Because if there's an insurance company to stick it to, you know, maybe they won't go after you. So you've gotten the ball out of your court into the insurance company's court. You made some money, and if they did want it, why not have them initial it? You know, you're all used to doing the initialing. You rented cars before. Do you want the insurance? Do you want the steering wheel? Do you want the jack? All of these little things that you're used to initialing for, you can have them do it. Underneath that, there's a signature block, so that Analyc is not misquoted. Does Analyc say they all have to be signed? No, Analyc does not say they all have to be signed. Some of them do. The tougher it gets, the bigger pain in the ass. Or if business is so bad that you're dealing with doctors and attorneys, I don't know, maybe I would want, you know, some of these signature blocks underneath. But look at the one I'm using. This is clever. Sample signature block. Customer's name for himself or herself with power of attorney for the traveling group or party. That way, when the spouse picks it up, the rest can't sue and say, oh, I didn't know about that. If you're going to have a signature block, why not sign it for everybody, you know, whose document that person is picking up? Again, a little more for me to argue with. If there is a good attorney on the other side, I'm happy. I would always want a better, knowledgeable, even a travel attorney, if we can find them, on the other side, because they know how far you can go. When I go into court, and the person on the other side is some kid with a shiny Samsonite attaché case, I've got problems. You know my theory that in every family there's a son-in-law, brother-in-law, some relative that's an attorney, and they're starting to, with nothing else to do, pick on some of these cases against agents. So read these. Not during your next speaker. You've got Herb Hamlin coming by, and he's only got 15 minutes, so I don't want to take his time up by having you read it. But these, we'll put the rest out there. We'll put them around to make sure that you have them to use them.